Good morning, student, or good morning, everybody. In this time, we meet again with me, and I try to teach you about the new material because with her, it's very useful when you learn yourself, when you get confusing, and this material. Okay, and our topic today, we try to learn about the correlative conjunction. Yes, you're right. Correlative conjunction. Okay. And what we know about, I believe all of you know, correlative, we try to correlate the one sentence to the other. Conjunction began to link one sentence to the other. Okay. It's mean correlative conjunction. Very good. So it is the goal. You know goal? Goal, it's mean is target. Goal is mean is target. Target to make this learning or this material is using correlative conjunction in a text. So when look for from this, this sentence, it is we try to correlate conjunction. We put in a text and second is write sentences using correlative conjunction. After we understood, sesudah kita paham about the correlative conjunction, so we write some sentences using correlative conjunction. Okay, and now we try to connect it with the next material. Is about the listen and repeat of the either. You see, there are four correlative conjunctions here. Either or. Okay, either or. The second is not only but also. Not only but also. And the third is not only but also. And the third is neither nor. There are three correlative conjunctions we are going discussing today. Either or, neither nor, and not only but also. When we look for from the three sentences here, either or, we try to make the conjunction correlative between two sentences. How do you know these two sentences? Sentence is content about the subject and verb. Look for and analyze it. You is the subject, and first is the verb. And how about the other? After I is the subject and complain is their verb. So when we know about this about the correlative conjunction, you fail not only chemistry but also physics. He is neither dependable nor trustworthy. Okay, we continue. Okay. Not only. You know the meaning not only? Tidak hanya. Very good. Not only he is dependable, but is also trustworthy. Tidak hanya dia adalah bisa mandiri, tetapi dia juga bisa dipercaya. Okay, very good. Dolphins are not only friendly, but also intelligent animal. Not only, but also. No, there is difference, sir, between the first sentence and the second sentence. Here, not only, after not only, is followed by the adverb. Friendly. You know friendly? Friendly is ramah. And how about intelligent? Intelligent here is cerdas. So both of them is try combining at the adverb. So how about the first is sentence between sentence and the second adverb and adverb. Okay, do you know relative conjunction are conjunctions that come in pairs. It relates to the one sentence element to the other between two different noun phrase, adjective to adjective, action to action. So it's very easier if you want to try combine noun, you have to put after that with noun, adjective with the adjective, verb and verb, adverb with adverb, sentence and sentence, phrase by phrase. Okay, next. It's here, paragraph conjunction, either or, good and, not only but also, neither nor. We try to make the specific here, either or and good and relate to different things. Relate to different things. Between the first and the second is different. It doesn't support one the other. And while using not only but also relate to different things, action negatively, it means not one of the things that suppose or does something. It's different between the first and the second. It doesn't support one the other. Okay. And how about a sample of the report? Robert is not only talented but also handsome. Look for there, it is the adjective and adjective. The second is Beth plays good the guitar and the violin. And next, neither Tom nor his sibling are left-handed. Plural, it is the plural. Noun, it is there. Okay. So, how about here? It is the example here, it's the pattern. You know pattern is like the formula. Pattern is the like of formula. For example, must be there is about the subject, verb, not only, but also, subject, not only, but also, subject, verb, good and, either or neither, it is the or no, singular, verb. Okay, how about in the future continuous tense? You know future continuous? Future continuous, it means the activity we pretend will be action, will be do it, but we pretend it is still happening. It's still happening. Okay, now, not only clause has to immediately present the phrase to which it refers. And incorrect, William Shakespeare was not only famous in Italy but also in England. It is incorrect. You know why? You can look for the differences. It is incorrect. The Greek color is correct. Why is that incorrect? Because look for here. William Shakespeare was not only famous in Italy but also in England. After famous is the adjective, but also is not the adjective, but also in England, after also and all, but also it is noun. It is noun. So adjective, the adjective, noun and noun. How about the correct William? William Shakespeare was famous not. It is the noun. Italy and England. Okay? How about you? Is it clear my explanation? Sudah jelas penjelasannya saya? Penjelasan Bapak? Okay. The next. We try to make the conclusion. The adjective famous refers both Italy and England. Clause must be properly structured. Italy in England. Okay. Culture awareness. Number 30, Solomon cider is unlucky and it's just a silly or supposition. Okay, we continue one more here. Okay, let's practice. Make correlative sentences using this. Okay, now, mixed correlative. Can you make it? We compare between bird and plane. For example, can you make it? bird, come on, boot, bird, and plane can fly. Okay, it is there using correlative conjunction boot and. How about the second? The second pictures we compare. There is the first picture is watching television in the living room with their family, and the second is watching movie. There are some people is watching movie. Okay, and the second is the third picture is she's running, and the third is he is swimming. Okay, can you make it an example? Okay, you can using not only but also or both and or either or neither no. Okay, can you practice it? Okay, it is not difficult. You can using, but you have to remember adjective with adjective, verb with adverb, noun with noun. Okay. So, one week you can make it about this. It is very easier to learn about the correlative conjunction. Okay, and it's about this time. I hope my explanation using the tutorial here will help you to understand how to understand about how to using about the correlative conjunction in the text. Okay, next we will meet again in the next video.